welcome back to my channel. So today I'm filming a makeup look for you all. Today I'm using the Morello Ciate palette. I got this palette when I started working at Mecca a few months ago and I absolutely love it. It has lots of plummy cranberry sort of colours in it and a few gold shades as well. I'll show you what the palette looks like now. So that's what it looks like out of the box. Oops, sorry. So that's what it looks like there. And then the inside, these are all of the shades. Double focus, there we go. So you can see there's lots of cranberry sort of plummy colours in this palette and lots of really pretty golden shades as well. So I've been absolutely loving wearing this palette at work at the moment. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how I do the look that I do most of the time when I use this. Thanks guys, bye! I'm starting off by priming my eyelids using the Nars Sheer Glow and the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. I've stopped using the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I found it was drying out my eyelids a little bit and it looked quite thick. Using the Sheer Glow and the Pro Longwear Concealer, I feel like my eyeshadow still stays on just as long and I really like the way it looks, so I've been doing that lately. And I'm just setting that down in place with the Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I'm using one of my favourite eyeshadow palettes in this look today, the Ciate and Morello eyeshadow palette. The first shade I go in with is My Tribe, just to set everything down before I use the other eyeshadow shades. The transition colour I like to use for this look is the shade Skinny Dip, and I really like to just buff that out into my crease, and I do bring it a little bit higher up because I have hooded eyes, otherwise we wouldn't be able to see the shade. The next shade I'm going in with is Unconditional. It's quite similar to the transition shade that I just used. It is a little bit more warm and I really like to use this shade next, so it looks like all the brown shade is blended out nicely. To deepen up this look, I'm using the shade On Fire. I'm putting it in the same spot I used the two transition colours. I'm just not blending it as high as the other two because it is a darker colour. I just want to build a bit of depth into the look. Flirt is my favourite shade in this whole palette. Unfortunately though, it is a little bit hard to use, and when you try and pack on the colour, it does break up a lot over the lid and looks like there's no eyeshadow in some areas and heaps in the other areas. You can't really see it in the video, but in person you can notice it. It is really hard to use. It probably takes a good 10 to 15 minutes to try and make that shade work, which is such a shame because it's such a beautiful colour. So I just thought I'd let you guys know that if you're wanting to get this palette. In the centre of my lid, I'm using the Too Faced Glitter Glue and the shade called Shine Bright. I'm trying to create a bit of a halo effect, so I'm only placing this shade in the centre of my lid. other gold shade to pop a little bit more, so I'm using the Too Faced highlighter in You Light Up My Life, and I'm placing a little bit of that with some MAC Fix Plus just over the top. I'm using the Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara to prep my lashes for my Huda Beauty lashes in the style Jade. Again, using my Nars Sheer Glow in the shade Fiji, I'm just applying that all over my face. You guys probably know that I usually put quite a bit of concealer over my face before I put on my foundation. I have stopped doing that lately. I feel like I just don't want that much coverage anymore. But I really like the way this looks, especially in person. I think it looks really nice and not as caked on as what I used to do. And to highlight underneath my eyes, chin and forehead and nose, I'm using a bit of my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. To set everything down in place, I'm using the Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder all over my face. For my bronzer today, I'm using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in the shade Radiant Light, and I'm just putting that all over my cheek area, forehead, a bit on my nose and my chin. I know you guys already know this is my favorite contouring palette. I'm using the NYX contouring shades, the first and second ones, to contour my cheekbones, forehead, and to contour my nose as well. I'm using my Tarte blush wheel, using the two more purple pink shades as blush today. Okay, so I don't think I've used this highlighter in a video yet. This is the Mecca Cosmetica highlighter. If you do not have it, please go and get it. It is my favorite highlighter in the whole entire world. I choose it over every single highlighter I've ever bought. It makes your face honestly look wet. It doesn't look powdery, it doesn't make my pores stand out. It's my favorite highlighter. If you don't have it, it's $48. It lasts such a long time. Definitely a good investment. On my eyebrows today, I'm using the Anastasia Brow Definer in, I believe, the shade Medium Brown. I absolutely love this pencil. I love that it has the triangle tip. It's so easy to apply product. I find that I get my eyebrows done so much quicker using this than anything else. For my lip colour today, I chose to use the shades Medusa and Mist by Huda Beauty. I absolutely freaking love these liquid lipsticks. They're my favorite formula of liquid lipsticks on the market. If you haven't got them already, definitely go and check them out. They're so easy to apply, they're comfortable to wear, they're not too drying. I love how this lip color looked with the eyes in the end. And this is pretty much the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It would mean so much to me, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Thank you, bye. Close your eyes and just